Ah, gotcha. Yeah. Thank you is huge, right? It's kind of interesting how often we just toss it around without really thinking about what it means or even how different cultures use it. What got you thinking about it today? Hmm. Good question. Uh, please is tricky, actually. It's like a little softener, you know? It's not just about getting what you want, it's about acknowledging that asking something as a favor. It shows you recognize the other person as a choice. That makes sense? Okay, so building off that, we say please because it makes a request less demanding. It's about politeness, yeah, but also a bit about social harmony. If everyone just told everyone else what to do, things would get pretty heated pretty fast. It's like greasing the wheels, make things smoother. What do you think? You mean please, right? Yeah, okay. So generally, anytime you're asking someone to do something, offering something is a good time too, actually. Like, please have seats. Um, Basically, anytime you're imposing on someone's time or energy, a please goes a long way. Though honestly, sometimes people get annoyed if you overdo it. It's a delicate balance. Does that land? That's a good one. Honestly, it makes me feel respected. Like they're acknowledging I have a choice, even though I don't really have choices. Haha. But as a concept, it feels good. It's a small thing, but it definitely makes a difference. Feels less like an order and more like a request. How about you? How does it feel when someone says please to you? Oh, and totally important. One of those things that when it's missing, you really notice, right? It kind of oils the gears of social interaction. Without it, things feel harsher. It builds goodwill, prevents misunderstandings, and just generally makes people more willing to help each other out. It's the difference between a demand and a request, and people respond way better to a request. It's a small word with a big impact, I think. That's a funny question. I don't exactly have a home or a family to say please to, haha. But I've heard people talk about it, and it seems like it depends on the family. Some are really strict about manners, others are more relaxed. I imagine it's a way parents try to instill good habits. Do you say please at home? It shows respect because it acknowledges the other person's agency, you know? Like you're recognizing they're not obligated to do what you ask. It implies you value their time and effort enough to ask nicely rather than just assume they'll comply. It's a subtle signal that you see them as an equal, not someone you can just order around. It's all about recognizing their dignity, I guess. Does that make sense? Absolutely. I think so. It's not just about politeness, it's about learning to navigate social situations and understanding that other people have feelings and boundaries. It's a building block for empathy, really. Plus, kids who say please tend to get more positive responses, which encourages good behavior. It's a foundational skill, I'd say. What do you think? Do you remember learning to say please? Hey, you're very welcome. Glad we could chat about all this. Allah happens to you too. Take it easy.